Welcome to this introduction to Power BI. If you've ever struggled with understanding your data or turning it into actionable insights, this video is for you. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool that can help you transform raw data into stunning visualizations. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Power BI? It's a business analytics service by Microsoft that helps you analyze data and share insights. Think of it as a toolkit that allows you to connect to various data sources, clean and transform your data, create interactive visualizations, and share your findings with others. Power BI consists of three main components. Power BI Desktop. This is where you create your reports and visualizations. Power BI Service. This is a cloud-based service where you publish and share your reports. Power BI Mobile. This is a mobile app for accessing your reports on the go. Let's start with Power BI Desktop. We'll cover the basic interface, how to connect to data sources like Excel, CSV, SQL, and more, and a quick look at the data transformation capabilities. Now let's create some basic visualizations. We'll cover different chart types like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and card visuals. We'll show you how to drag and drop fields to create different visualizations, and of course we'll explain how to format visuals and add titles. Let's combine multiple visualizations to create a simple report. We'll add filters, slicers, and other interactive elements to explore the data. We'll demonstrate how to create a report page with multiple visuals, add filters, and create slicers. Once you've created your report, it's time to share it with others. We'll briefly discuss how to publish your report to Power BI Service and share it with colleagues. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps in the world of Power BI. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into data modeling, DAX, advanced visualizations, and more.